Good afternoon viewers, welcome back to the channel, Greens Adventures. We're going to take you along today when we're going to go out for some dinner, have a look, see where we get to and see which lovely restaurant we pick for a bite to eat. We'll take you along with the journey. Right, we've not ventured far, back to the end of the road. We're not really walking far. We'll get back to the pool and get some more rays. Right, just pan you around. I think we're going to try the Hawai again. Great menu, good value for money, and it's always a good meal in here, and especially the steak. Alright, we'll take you inside. Right, I've just sat down, and again that's pretty quick. Table service and service with a smile as well. So anyway, we've just picked what we want, and I'll just pan you around so you can have a look at the snack menu. Oh, there's your menu. Obviously you can you pause it and have a look at prices, but it's pretty fairly priced and it's pretty cheap as well. And we've gone for the chicken burger. Just asked her again to see if she did the English bacon in it, and obviously they said no, they don't do the English bacon. It's probably something to do with the price of it actually. So, but not over keen on an English breakfast with Spanish bacon. So I've not really taken to Spanish bacon since we've come to Tenerife, but as an acquired taste. Anyway, I've got chicken burger, I think, and that's what would I have? Double burger. You have chicken burger? All right. So let's decided to have a chicken burger. And the Ethan, you're having what do you? Same as me, do you? So you want a double burger, no? Or chicken burger? Same as me. So. That's why I'll have a double burger, but can't believe these teenagers now stuck on Wi-Fi since we've been here. You actually got 5G, have you? Shame we didn't have 5G on our live last night, isn't it? So anyway. Just so you know, we're doing a live on Thursday, so we're doing it from the Wednesday. Sorry, we'll do it from the hotel. So keep watching the channel, and you'll be able to check back and have a look at it on catch up. So we're gonna have this sandwich, and then venture back to Salson Beach, and we've actually hired a 4-poster bed at the edge of the pool. What we'll do, I'll take a photo of it and I'll include it on this vlog later on. But God, it's comfy. It's just like, it's not like any other sunbed. It's really soft, a foam vinyl covered mattress. So you put your towel out on that, but just bear in mind, make sure you put your towel on because the sun gets on it, it's hot and it sticks to your skin. So, but no, it's right at the edge of the pool. Get off the 4-poster bed and plunge straight in the pool. Right, I'll do a bit of a minute tour when we get back, so you can see the sunbed. Well, food's just turned up, and I'll say really nice. We've not even touched it yet. But a nice chicken burger.
Chicken burger,
Double burger is it? That's good. Right, we just come out of the Hawaii, and again, good food. Definitely recommend. Anyway, catch you on the next one.